Good morning and happy Tuesday, Pride. Some of the friends had a big party yesterday. It was graduation for the kids going to kindergarten. Awesome job singing the songs, right? All those great songs. Thank you. So much fun. So today we're going to try something new. We're going to try a different kind of activity. Yesterday we worked on an activity guide. We can keep doing that, but what I want you to try and do is find an old book, one that you don't really read anymore, preferably one that is a board book. That means the pages are thick, not the thin type of book. And we are going to turn them into new books just for you. So I'm going to show you some of the books that my daughters made for me when they were little, when they were 3 and 4 years old. They look a little bit like this. This was a Father's Day gift from my daughter Emma. This is a book she helped make with the mommy. It's an old board book, and when you turn the pages, it has photos in it. It's a new book, just like that, all the different pages. Just like that. Let's go down to the other camera and I'll show you what it looks like on the table and give you some ideas on how you can make one at home too. Don't pick any book. Wait for your grown-up. We have to find the book that's just right, that you don't use anymore, that you outgrew. All right, let's go see what we're going to do. All right, here we are back again. I brought these books over, and these are 2 books that my kids didn't use anymore. This one looked like it's about an alien, babies, and look, here are the words. If that milk has no cream, Papa's going to buy you a laser beam. So this was a book that my daughter didn't read anymore. And here's another book that my daughters didn't read anymore, but there's a picture that's different. This book is remade. So here's what you get to do. Find a book in your house, preferably one that is a board book, which means a thicker page. And on each page, you're going to take a little bit of sandpaper and you're going to scuff it. You're going to rub each page all around, because that takes off that waxy coating that the books have. After you do that, you can use sandpaper, of course. You can use a sanding block if you want. There's different things you can use. Then what you get to do is you can decorate each page. Raimi, what she did was she painted each page a little different. She colored it with purple paint, and then she let it dry like this. After she painted, she stood it up and she separated the pages just a little bit. She fanned them out. We'll call it fanning out, so the air could go and the pages don't stick to each other. Just like that, and let it rest. Then when it's all dry, you can take the book and you can add some more to it. She drew on top. She says, "From Raimi, love, for Daddy." And she made this book a long time ago. I don't think there's a date in here, so that's always good. But look, there's a photo of her when she was little. So that looks like when she was in preschool, when she was your age. That's Raimi. Now she's a big kid. All right, so I'm going to move this book over. Here's the one that Emma made. She made it in 2006. So that means Emma was only 3 years old when she made this book. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, she sanded it, and then she painted it, and then we put some words on. The mommy worked on this, and it's Happy Father's Day by Emma and Raimi. There are all the pages. Happy Father's Day, and the date. There's some paper cut out, some more photos. Dear Daddy, and a little book. It talks all about this, a thank you to Daddy book. Here's some pages. Thank you for taking us everywhere. On a bike, there we are. Or on an airplane ride. Woohoo! And we could turn the pages to the movies. Look, this is the old page. You can see, and then outlining the old picture and adding some other pictures. So after the pictures are all made, then you can brush it with a brush just like this with some Mod Podge, some glue and water mixed together, and coat it, and then you have to let it dry, of course, just like this. And another photo. Oh, there's more pictures. So yeah, have some fun. You can make your own book for home. Awesome. So that's your project for today, all right? Enjoy, have some fun. I can't wait to see what you decide to do for your book project. Awesome, and you'll have that book forever and for always. All right, see you soon, guys. Bye.